Sicilian Caponata, sweet, savory, rich with history and simple ingredients. This is not just a recipe, it's a story of sun-soaked vegetables, humble beginnings, and generations cooking with what they had. In this video, we'll cook caponata step by step, share its fascinating history, and give you tips that make the flavor truly authentic. If you love real Italian food, cooked slowly, with heart, stay with us until the end because this dish only gets better. Let's start with our ingredients. The heart of caponata, eggplants. Celery for crunch and freshness. Sweet, juicy, and vibrant grape tomatoes. Deep, rich, and slightly bitter Kalamata olives. Tender and delicate zucchini. Tomato paste to deepen the flavor. Capers, small but powerful, bringing that signature tang. The base of everything good, onion. Tasted nutty and elegant pine nuts. Fresh basil, fragrant and bright. Oil for frying. Extra virgin olive oil. Salt and black pepper. Each ingredient on its own is simple, but together they create something unforgettable. We start by cutting the eggplants into cubes. Not too small, not too big. Try to not rush this step. Cutting them evenly helps them cook perfectly later. If the pieces are uneven, some will absorb too much oil while others stay undercooked. Another important tip is not to peel the eggplants. The skin helps them keep their shape during frying and adds more flavor. Eggplants need a little care. They're beautiful, but they hold a lot of water. That's why we salt them and let them rest for about 1 hour. This helps remove excess moisture and gives us better texture and flavor when frying. While the eggplants rest, we prepare the rest of our vegetables. We slice the onion, chop the celery, cut the zucchini, and halve the tomatoes. Caponata is all about balance. Every vegetable should still keep its identity. Caponata comes from Sicily, most likely from Palermo. It was originally a humble dish made by farmers and fishermen with what they had available. Eggplants became popular in Sicily thanks to Arab influence, and over time they became the heart of many dishes. Every Sicilian family has their own version. Some add raisins, some add vinegar, some don't. That's what makes caponata special. It's never exactly the same, but always recognizable. It's a dish that reflects Sicily itself, bold, layered, and full of character. Now Now we heat olive oil in a large pan. We start with the onion, letting it soften slowly. This step builds sweetness, never rush onions. Next, we add the celery and let it soften just a bit. Then the zucchini, stirring gently so everything cooks evenly. Now the tomatoes go in, and the kitchen already starts smelling incredible. One spoon of tomato paste brings deep and warmth. Now olives and capers. This is where caponata really comes alive. A little black pepper and fresh basil for aroma. Now our eggplants are ready to fry. We heat enough oil and fry them. You can cook the eggplants in a pan or even bake them in the oven, but in Italy we always fry them. It's the traditional way and it gives caponata its true flavor. Once done, we place them on paper towels to absorb excess oil. Now we add the eggplants to the pan with the vegetables. We mix gently so everything stays intact. At this point, caponata already smells like Sicily. We finish with pine nuts. They add crunch, warmth, and that classic Sicilian elegance. We love caponata with toasted bread, but you can enjoy it as a side dish on bruschetta with fish, meat, or even cold the next day. In fact, caponata tasted even better after resting. Look at these colors. This is Sicily on a plate. Sweet, savory, soft, and vibrant. This is comfort food, Italian style. If you enjoyed it cooking with us, subscribe to our channel, like this video, and leave a comment below. Tell us, How do you eat caponata in your family? Grazie for cooking with us, and we'll see you in our next Italian recipe.